Young man asked me a question. He said, I was laying down on my stomach the other day, and something happened. Is that considered sin that's on purpose or accidental? I didn't mean to. So he thought I was going to ask him, why did you lay down on your stomach? You're not allowed. But I know he knows that. I know he knows he's not allowed. Not allowed to lay. The guy is not allowed to lay on the stomach. He's not allowed to lay on his back. Shulchan Aruch says, even if you see your own father laying on his back, wake him up. Why? It's pikuach nefesh. A guy has to lay, if he's going to lay down on your side. Right or left, pick one. Start the night with the left and then move on to the right. Of course, you lose control at some point and you're sleeping and so on. Don't worry, you don't have to hire a bodyguard or anything to wake you up. But the point is that you have to do the best to stay on your side. By the way, what do you think? Shlomo Melech, it says, Shlomo Melech has 60 shomrim around him. What do you think, he's just shomrim for no reason? Different roles, each one had a different role, also to deal with demons, but it's a different story. Anyway, Rabotai Yekarim, he thought, I'm going to ask him, why are you laying on it? You're not allowed. What was the question? I asked him, why are you laying down? That was the question. Not why are you laying down on your stomach. Why are you laying down? So, I was just resting. So from what? In between, sit down then. Learn a book. What are you doing laying down? If you're laying down, go to sleep. It's at night. Rest of the day, Adam la'amal yulad. Person came to the world to work. Stop laying down in the middle of the afternoon like you're some retiree. No, I'm just resting. Resting from what? You're 25 years old. What are you resting from? Game Boy or PlayStation? What are you resting from? No, I just learned 2 hours. Okay, so learn another 5 minutes. Learn another 2 hours. What are you laying down for? You want to rest? Sit down. With a book while you're reading. Rest while you read. That's the question. People think that they came to this world to relax. Afternoon naps. If you slept 3 hours a night, you could take an afternoon nap, no problem. But to just lay down and just look at the ceiling like you're some retiree goy, that's not for Judaism. It doesn't work. Why? Bad things are going to happen. A person needs to know that if you are constantly busy doing good deeds, you yourself will start looking at it the same way that I'm speaking it. Who has time to lay down? Instead of laying down, I could go do a good deed. I go help somebody. I go read something. I go make a bracha on something. I could do something good. Who has time to relax? I got stuff to do. I got to build Olam HaBa. I got a whole world I got to build. Who has time to lay down in an afternoon nap? Like he's 97 years old. Everybody's taking naps. What are you, a baby? I'll bring you to my house. You'll sleep down next to my kids. Yosef likes to take a nap. Every few hours he takes a nice nap for 15 minutes. You take a nap next to him. I'll give you a bottle, I'll give him a bottle. Next to you. Binky, huh? What is this laying down? 15 years old laying down. What are you laying down for? Either sit down or go to sleep. If you're busy doing good deeds, Rabotai, you'll start looking at this as ludicrous as I do. Laziness is a choice. A person that's chasing good deeds is going to do much more in his life. He'll be much more successful in his life.